In this section, we would focus on the newly established de novo universities, which are deemed universities for specialized purposes, and then in 2021, where the major foundation stones for some of the major universities have been laid down. So to begin with, let's talk about two of the deemed university. The first deemed university is in Ernakulam, established in 2016. It is in the name of Chinmay the Vishwa Vidyapeeth, and this was established in 2016, specifically catering to Indic studies, and in Vadodara in 2018 for railway and railway education. National Rail Transport Institution was established. So both of these are de novo institutes. De novo institutes are those institutes which are specialized for a specific segment, and both of them are deemed universities. Coming on to the recently established new university. So the Mahayogi Gorakhnath University, or the Gorakhnath Shodh Peeth, is the third important university in Gorakhpur. The foundation stones have been laid down in 2021. The next is in Aligarh. It is the Raja Mahendra Pratap Singh State University, established in 2021. Raja Mahendra Pratap Singh was one of the great freedom fighters, educationist, a social reformer, and this would be established in the regions of Lodha village and the Karim Jaroli village in the Kol Tehsil of Aligarh. One of the new universities to come up with many developments. Then we have the Institute of Petrochemical Technology. This was established in Jaipur in 2014. Besides this, there are numerous medical colleges which are established. Now, those list of medical colleges are important. So, one is in the Devriya. So, Devriya Medical College. Then we have the Fatehpur Medical College, Pratapgarh Medical College, which is established, Mirzapur Medical College. Then we also have another important one which is in Jaunpur. Then in Hardoi, Ghazipur is another important medical college which is established. We have the Itaha Medical College established in Itaha, and then we have another one in Siddharth Nagar. Now all these medical colleges have been established. Till 2017, Uttar Pradesh had only 12 medical colleges. With the bringing in of these new medical colleges in Devriya, Itaha, Fatehpur, Ghazipur, Hardoi, Jaunpur, Mirzapur, Pratapgarh and Siddharth Nagar, we would see numerous developments in the region. The next is the Sanjay Gandhi Postgraduate Institute and the Ram Manohar Lohia in Lucknow. Both of these have been well established institutions since long for medical sciences, but still the state required more medical science developments, and we had also the King George Medical College which was established. Another one which was the Uttar Pradesh University of Medical Sciences at Saifai, established in 2015, which is established and has been important. Now coming on next is the Sindhu Central University. The foundation stones have been laid in 2021. Now this university would be established in Leh and cater to the population of Leh Kargil, and once the Rohtang Pass tunnel is done, it would also have students from the Lahul Spiti region. It has been named on the Indus River and is proposed to have a special center on Buddhist studies, specifically for the Gelug and the Kagyu sect of Buddhism. Both of these sects of Buddhism are important, and it is the Gelug sect to which the 14th Dalai Lama belongs, and therefore is highly revered among the Buddhism. So this Sindhu Central University would have a special center for Buddhist studies, very important. Now all the other universities we have discussed. In Kapilavastu there would be another university which was established as the Siddharth University. Now Siddharth Vishwavidyalaya would have a special center. So this university was established back in 2015, but recently there has been a new center which is established, and this is the International Buddhist Center and Center for Excellence in Hinduism, Buddhism and Jainism. Now, this university is located in Kapilavastu, Siddharth Nagar, one of the old universities which is established, and it was having colleges which are previously affiliated to Deen Dayal Upadhyay University and Dr. Ram Manohar Lohia Awadh University. So, those were some of the important centers which were established. The administrative block of the Rani Lakshmibai Central University, which was established in 2014, has been recently inaugurated, and this is a university which was established, a central university which was established back in 2014, but was recently in news, a university specially catering to agricultural sciences, and therefore important. So this university is again one of the important universities that is established. And then we have the Professor Rajendra Singh Institute of Physical Sciences for Study and Research. Now, Professor Rajendra Singh is also known as Raju Bhai, and he is one of the major persons who had been working in the field of physical research, physical sciences, and was the head of the University of Allahabad, the Prayagraj University, for a long period of time. He is not just a physicist but also a social thinker and a kind of social reformer. So, very important institute established for physical sciences in Devkali, and this is the Dr. Rajendra Singh Institute of Physical Sciences, established in 2018. So, those were some of the recent universities which were in news. You have to know those, one of the major centers and probably one of the major questions for your paper 1 as well. To cover more on paper 1, also check out our playlist on the 2021 expected questions. Wish you very good luck for your preparation. Feel free to raise any questions and doubts, if any, for paper 1.